Hello, welcome to my talent show. My name is Fulva Nguyen. I'm going to present you ultrasonic gas leak detector. What is the model about? Ultrasonic gas leak detector is an instrument used to detect vapor or gas leak from the gas storage tank. Oil and gas companies use this equipment to detect the leakage of the gas from the storage or from the pipe. How does it work and why is it better than the traditional gas leak detector outside there? Well, in traditional gas leak detector, the sensor requires the cloud of gas in the air in order to activate alarms. But it comes in a situation when the wind is blowing, it will blow away the gas from a different direction away from where the sensor has been installed. So in that situation, it becomes difficult, like to detect the leak. However, in ultrasonic gas leak detector, it does not need a gas in the air in order to activate alarm. What it does, it picks up the hissing sound when the gas is released from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. It will make the sound, and that sound is what actually the the equipment is designed about to pick up and activate alarm, and that is what makes it unique from the previous gas detectors, which actually require the gas in the head in order to activate alarm. Design perspective features. It detects a gas include toxic gases, combustible gas, and flammable gas. It covers a wide range of area, about 20 meters, which is very huge. It is not affected by the weather, whether it's hot or cold, and that is very, very, very good in the design perspective, according to in a oil and gas point of view. Who was the first user of this technological solution? Well, the national gas producer and operator NAM in Holland was the first group installed this equipment, and now is used all over the world in oil and gas company. Affordances. Ultrasonic gas leak detector is calibrated in live. When it is calibrated, you have nothing to worry about. When it is installed, it will remain there and detect the leaking. Signifier. Since it is not detecting gas in the air, you might be wondering about that written numbers on the gauge. What does it signify? Well, this is an inaudible sound which the sensor pick up around the area. We will see it in the con side. Usability. Ultrasonic gas leak is useful, but it does not need a lot of work because when it is calibrated and installed, it is there, and like the user has nothing to do. Desirability. Not everybody will be interested in ultrasonic gas leak detector, but only those oil and gas companies who need to detect like the leakage of the gas from the storage tank. Con. There is some case when the ultrasonic may pick up other inaudible sound that does not associate with the refrigeration systems. The area with a complex mixture of frequent sounds and a high amplitude, for example, when the turbine is running here, compressor is running there, or the generator is installed closer to the, like to the equipment, it make it, like a noisy that make it difficult, like the equipment to pick up the right sounds, and that is what you see in signifier. You see the number there. Maybe the number is coming from a different source, so it is actually the matter. Constraint. Ultrasonic gas leak detector do not detect a gas concentrations pressure leak below a 2 bar or 30 psi, and that is also another problem. Ultrasonic gas leak detector can only detect a leak produced by a turbulent flow, and when it is not a turbulent flow, it not like working on that area. Vapor credit from leaking liquid will not be detected. So when it is like a leaking from liquid, because it doesn't work with the leaking from liquid, it is working from leaking of the gas, and that is actually the problem. And in my point of view, it is, yeah, it's very good, it's very good equipment, but it's have still a problem to think about when we think in the design perspective. Thank you.